Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you will be known about how to learn coding. Yes, using ChatGPT, we'll ask a question and what suggestions it will give us, we'll see once. If you are a first time, you are watching this video lecture from this channel, please do subscribe. How to learn coding. So this is a very essential for beginners and who are not related or relevant to the IT field. So let's see what the steps we are getting as suggestions. So learning coding is a fun and rewarding experience. Here are the few steps how to start. First we need to learn choose a programming language which you are very much interested. Many programming languages are there like own strength and uses cases. If you are just starting, it may be helpful for choosing languages beginner friendly, widely used such as Python or JavaScript. And set specific goals. What do you want to build to create code? Why you are learning? Do you have any specific project or any goal for you? End result. What you need? Or anyone is motivated for you to focus to learn? These are the things first you need to clarify. Find learning solutions. The resources, there are many free and paid resources are available to learn coding, like online learning, online classes, video lectures, video courses, which are the boot camps. Consider your learning style, budget when you choosing resources. Practice. Yes, the best way to get better at coding is to write code. Start by following tutorials, working through exercises and build small projects on your own. What you learn, you have to prepare your own projects. Seek help when you need it. Coding can be challenging task, but don't have to go alone. Join online communities such as forums, social media, groups where you can ask your questions and get help from others. Maybe other coders are having a great solution in less time. Keep on learning, keep on update. So the world of technology and programming, coding consistently evolving, important to keeping and expanding your skill set. Consider taking on more challenging projects, exploring more programming languages and tools. Remember, learning to code takes time to dedication, but the payoff can be huge. I wish you good luck as well, ChatGPT. These are the few points only where you have to focus. Yes, many aspects are there where you need to see in our next lecture. If you feel this video lecture is helping you, please do subscribe. Thank you.